નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Standard 4th. Subject Environment. Chapter number 10. Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Part 1.
Good morning, students. How are you all? See, we play so many games or sports from our childhood itself. See, when we are small, we play with the small toys. But slowly, when we grow up, we start play different kinds of games. So, there are two types of games, that are indoor games and outdoor games. So, what is the indoor game? Indoor games are the games that you can play inside the house. And the outdoor games are the games that you can play outside the house or anywhere else. Okay, so whenever you go to the school, you play different kinds of sports like volleyball, basketball, cricket, tennis, etc. Right? So these are the outdoor games. And what are the indoor games? Like snakes and ladders, then carom, chess. Okay, all these are indoor games. Okay, so sports and exercise, they both are very necessary for a healthy life. Because of these sports and exercise, we can stay flexible and healthy. Okay, so we should give importance in our life to sports and games. Okay, so because of this, there is one proverb also, that a healthy mind in a healthy body. Okay, so it means if our body is healthy, then our mind will also be healthy. Okay, so now everybody look at this picture. What are these girls doing? Can anyone tell which game are they playing? Yes, that is right. They are playing Kabaddi. So our next chapter is also about the Kabaddi. So let's start our chapter number 10, that is Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay, so here in this, so we have seen the picture now, that what are the girls doing? They are playing a game that is called Kabaddi. So what are they shouting? So some of the girls are shouting out, 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 and one of the girl is holding her breath and saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay, and the other girls, they are shouting hold from the leg, then hold her legs. Okay, so there is so much argument between them. Okay, so what is one girl saying? That hey Shushila, make sure that her hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Okay. Then still that girl is started saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi. Okay. She touched it. She touched it. So she has touched the line. And what is she saying now? Out, out, out. Your whole team is out. Okay. So now let us see what is the game Kabaddi about. So as we have seen that some of the girls were shouting out, out, out. So from that only we came to understand that they are playing a game. Okay. And what are they playing? They are playing Kabaddi. And do you know, in different states, different people used to say Kabaddi as a different name. For example, Cheru Guddu, Hututu, Chu Kit Kit, Hududu, and Kabaddi. All these are the different names of Kabaddi. In these pictures, we have seen that girls are playing. So one of the girl Shyamla. She was surrounded by the girls of the other team. Okay, so in the kabaddi, one player has to go by saying kabaddi kabaddi with holding her breath, and continuously he or she has to say kabaddi kabaddi without taking breath. Okay, so this girl Shyamla has also went to another team by saying this kabaddi kabaddi, but some of the girls in the team, they have surrounded Shyamla, and everybody thought that she was out, but so that somebody caught her leg, somebody has caught her arms, while one girl caught her wrist. Wrist means kalai. Okay, so that she cannot touch the line. Okay, so what will happen if she touch the line? So if she touch the line, so all the other players in the next team, they will be declared out. Okay, so but the Shyamla did not give up. She dragged herself. Dragged means ghasitna. Dragged herself by increasing her strength and tried to touch the center line of the ground. Okay, and Shyamla also got succeed in that. She touched the line, and all the girls of the opposite team who were holding her, they all got out. But one of the girl in the other team named Rosie, she argued that Shyamla has taken a breath in between, so they are not out. But the Shyamla said that that is not true. And what argument she has given? So the Shyamla said that if I was out, then why all the other members of the team were holding me? They have to leave me na. If they know that I am out, then they should leave me na. But still they were holding me. It means I was not taking a breath. Okay. So now below this there are given question answers. So let us see what are the question answers. So what is the first question? How many players are there in kabaddi? Means how many players are there in one team in the game kabaddi? So the answer is there are 12 players in the kabaddi, and 7 players are on the ground. Okay, so in kabaddi there are 12 players, but only 7 players can play at a time. So the remaining players are kept aside so that when any one of the player gets injured, then the another player can play in its or his place. Okay, clear everyone? Now the next question is, how many players got out when Shyamla touched the center line? So we have seen that the girl named Shyamla has went to another team saying kabaddi kabaddi. Okay, so how many players were out? So the answer is when Shyamla touched the center line, got out. Okay, because all the players of the team, they have holded Shyamala. So that's why when Shyamala touched the center line, all the players of the opposite team got out. Clear everyone? So this is what the game Kabaddi is like. So it is a game of snatching and pushing, pulling one another's legs, hands, etc. Okay, so we can say that it is a rough game, but still this game is of bravery and it has so many rules also. Okay, so in Kabaddi, when one takes its turn, what they have to do? So he or she has to continuously saying Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi while he goes to the another team. Means he has to speak continuously without taking the breath. Okay, and when you are taking your turn, you have to be very careful. You have to use both your mind and also the body. Okay, so you have to pay attention all the around. When you touch the line of the other team, you have to take care that nobody from the other team catch you. Okay, so you have to be very careful. So when you go to play Kabaddi, you have to focus on your attention on legs, hands and your eyes. Then you will find a good coordination between them. Okay, so physically this Kabaddi game is very useful for us because it keeps our body healthy and flexible. And from this Kabaddi you can learn the team spirits, then teamwork, and you will know to coordinate between the different organs like arms, legs and eyes. Okay, clear everyone? Now you understood how you can play the game Kabaddi, and it is a very rough game, still it is very healthy because there are some of the rules which you have to follow during the game. Thank you for joining us.